Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today's February 7th, Sunday, and on this post I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action before diving into Celo, CGLDUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time we have spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculation opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. I've already done a more detailed post on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action earlier today, so just going to do a very quick recap here. We do have Bitcoin dominance, which is most importantly what I take a look at first, because it tells me where the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Currently, we do have Bitcoin dominance up almost 0.3%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down a little over 1%, and total altcoin market cap down almost 2%. This is why I always emphasize Bitcoin dominance trending downwards is, generally speaking, better for the altcoin price action. So right now, Bitcoin dominance does look like it's trying to break back on top of this daily 200 MA, which has been the key resistance and support. Okay, I am looking for Bitcoin dominance to continue trending downwards, get rejected here again, continue trending downwards, and that should be better for the altcoin price action on both the upside and downside, as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance changes course and goes back up. Bitcoin price action here, still running intact within these 2 trend lines I had initially estimated. Okay, let's see if this is actually going to be an ascending triangle pattern or a cup and handle pattern, or less likely, I think right now, something else. Okay, so I'll keep revisiting this and see what this could be turning into, if Bitcoin is going to be pulling back or will it continue upwards. If Bitcoin pulls back, it will still have an effect on the altcoins, just like we are seeing right now. Okay, since price action went to about 41.1K, pull back, that did take quite a bit of the altcoins down with it earlier today and even last night, depending on where you guys are. Now, let's take a look into CGLDUSD and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time I've spoken. Since the last time I've spoken, I did mention that there was a possible double bottom pattern here, okay? But before we go into that, let's visit the higher time frame RSIs and see if we have any red flags there in terms of overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios indicating a loss of momentum for the bulls. Let's take a look onto the monthly time frame first. We don't have an RSI reading here, so nothing to be concerned with. Weekly time frame, we do not have an overbought territory RSI, so nothing to be concerned with here. On the 3-day time frame, we are in slight overbought territory, but I'm not too concerned with about 72. Okay, I'll note that it's in slight overbought territory, so even a pullback is not unreasonable, but I'm not too concerned with a very slight overbought territory RSI here. On the daily time frame, we had overbought territory RSIs here, and even possible bearish divergence with this new high right here. So I'll be paying attention to what this daily candle actually does, okay? Because if we actually, I'll actually be comparing this new high with this previous high right here. And this previous high already had bearish divergence comparing this high with this past high, and they're equal highs. So right now, I actually don't see possible bearish divergence, on correcting myself previously. Okay, we don't have bearish divergence on this time frame anymore. Now, let's take a look into, actually I am wrong about that as well. I'll be looking at this high with this high. So in that case, we still do not have possible bearish divergence. Now, let's take a look into the daily time frame here, where I did point out a possible double bottom pattern here. One bottom and the second bottom right here. The neckline I approximated to be about $3. I would say about $3.60, a little over $3.60 here. Okay, if this is actually correct, then I do have a measured target here now, which is taken by the neckline from about $3.62 down to the bottom of the pattern, and then adding it back on top of the neckline here. Then I do have a measured target here of about, as far as I can read it, it's about $4.50. In that range. Okay, measured targets are approximate theoretical targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action continues to get daily candle close, to actually get a daily candle close here, which closes in a little under an hour, and then continue to get candle closes above this neckline of about $3.63. Okay, just to round it up, $3.63, get daily candle closes and staying daily candle closes above this neckline and go towards its measured target. Some resistance in the way, including this $4 level for fib level right here, that could be resistance. So that is what I'm looking for on a bullish case scenario. Gets daily candle close above this neckline of about $3.63 and staying above this neckline, go towards its measured target. Some resistance in the way about the $4 level, which is also a fib level. So possible rejection there. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks back into this pattern, fails to get a daily candle close above this neckline. The next level of key support I'll be looking at will be the next fib level right here, and let's see if price action actually gets a bounce from here, about $3.50. That is the next key level of support. If that does not hold, I'll be looking at the next key fib level right here. The next one would be about $3.10 level. Okay, so these are going to be the next levels of key support I'll be looking at on the daily time frame as key supports, if this is a failed breakout, and see what other patterns this could be forming instead. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today for Celo, CGLDUSD. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.